everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and today we are going to create the fake story using the half sentence. As you know, there is a series going on my YouTube channel, so that you can learn from the series, from the videos, advanced word, or you can create your own story using the advanced word or idioms or phrases. So I would like to create the story in front of you. So if you are new over here, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are already my subscriber, then please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. One day I was sitting in my room and I had been boring for a long time. I decided to go somewhere because I wanted to go for getting peace and tranquility. So I decided to go my grandparents' house. When the Sunday came, I packed my luggage and left for my grandparents' house. I met my grandparents and my grandmother hugged me tightly because we were meeting for a long time. So after that, actually I just wanted to get peace and tranquility, so I went there. One day we were sitting each other on the couch and my grandmother said, "Shilpa, do you know how to speak English?" Because I know very well how to speak English. So I said, "Yes, grandmama. Yes, I can speak English, or I know how to speak English." Actually, she was quite excited to learn this language. She, in the younger age, she wanted to learn this language, but she didn't get any chance to learn this language because that time was quite old time. Whenever I go to the grandmother house, she always tell me how to speak English. If I want to speak English, then how can I speak English? Then I said, if you want to learn this language, you can do one thing. You have to speak more and more. As you much you can more, you can improve your fluency. But make sure you have to do practice daily. But my grandmother said, this is okay, but with whom I should do my practice? There is no one who knows how to speak English. Wanted to learn this language, and she was quite inquisitive lady to learn this language. One day she said to me, and that day she said to me, "Shilpa, is it any app to learn our English, to improve our English, spoken English?" And I said to my grandmother, "Dadi, you can learn your English language very simply. There are so many English apps that you can use easily to learn this language." And my grandmother said, "How often should I use this app to improve my English language?" Then I said, "Dadi, you can learn very easily English. Whenever you get time, you can open this app and you can learn English according to your time, whenever you get time." She was quite excited to learn this language. My grandmother said, "Is the app free to download, or does it require any subscription?" Then I said, "Dadi, you can download it free. You can use it free. There are some resources you can use free, but there are also premium version. If you pay your amount, you can learn new advanced feature." Then my grandmother said, first I need to learn basic. When the basic clear, then definitely I will pay for advanced features. I said, okay, it's up to you totally. If you like, then you can do anything. Then my grandmother again asked me, what the interesting topic do you find to speak in English? I said, the app has speaking exercise to speak in English on different topic. You can choose by yourself, dancing, cooking, hobbies, or it totally up to you in which you are interested. My grandmother said, let's take a hobby part, because I would like to explore my hobbies and I would love to know about my hobbies. I said, okay, let's talk about the hobbies. What is your hobbies? Then I said, okay, it's up to you. Do you remember any interesting topic, any interesting experience to speak in English? My grandmother said, yes, I know. When I was younger in my age, I was quite excited to learn this language, and I was very excited to learn about her hobbies. She went into the room and I don't know from where she took her diary and came back again. And I was very excited seeing her diary, that she is very inquisitive to learn this language. My grandmother said, when I was younger, I used to pen pal with a girl from England, and I think it would be good idea to speak in English. I was quite amazing seeing or listening her. I said, Dadi, how often you can use this app and how you can improve your English? And my grandmother said, I'm very excited to learn this language and I would like to give it a chance for two. I never want to lose this opportunity. So can you show me how to download this app, because I am not very tech savvy. I said, okay, let me show you how you can improve, how you can download your app and how you can do your practice. So she was quite excited and she was over the moon. She was overjoyed that she is going to learn this language. What language she wanted to learn, what language she had dreamed her dream. Said, okay, let me show you how you can download the app in your mobile. And I downloaded the app and I taught him to do your practice with the help of this app, and how you can practice. I have everything taught her. She was quite excited. I said, grandmother, Dadi, there are so many options with the help of you can learn this language. Suppose you can listen audios, you can watch your videos and listening them and seeing them. You can, when you heard about the native speaker how they are speaking, after them you can repeat it again. You have to repeat it again, because this will help you to pronounce the words, vocabs, how they are pronouncing. She was quite excited and I said again, Dadi, moreover, you can record yourself. If you are thinking that you are not doing very well, then you can record yourself also. So, done everything what I could have done, and from that day I enjoyed a lot there. And after some time I had to come my city, but before coming she said, let's make a promise to practice together regularly over the phone. I said okay. I came back to my city, and from that day we started having a conversation over the phone, and one day she became a good teacher, and now she is teaching her students, her daughter-in-laws, English in free without any cost. So guys, this was the story. Actually, when I started this story, I didn't have any idea that the story will reach here, and I didn't have any idea. I just started creating the story, and I indulging the creating the story, and now I reached here. So you can do your practice. There is no idea that where the story will reach. But guys, literally I didn't have any idea that the story will reach here, and I'm very excited that this story, this conversation will improve your English, and this program, this I would say that this program will help you to improve your English and create your own story. Story will reach anywhere. Just you need to speak more and more and more. Just try to speak anything. Where the story is going on, don't stop. Just try to go wherever you are going, wherever you can go. Okay, try to speak more and more and more. Try to use words what you have learned, new words. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel if you are new over here. If you are already my subscribers, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.